We're at Railtex and Infrarail in this amazing building at Olympia. Lots of history. It's been fascinating to find out just about that. We're getting to meet a lot of people in rail, getting to meet a lot of new customers, a few current customers, and getting the opportunity to really sort of find out how rail works, getting some really, really good leads in an industry sector that we're stepping into and seeing where it takes us.
Hi, my name's Andrew Dowding. I'm the founder director of Interchange, which is an infrastructure media platform. Really good to bump into Reflow here at Railtech, bringing your fantastic field service management software to the rail industry. I first met you guys in the highways sector, where I was running a show called Highways UK, where you were a fledgling business with huge ambition and great talent. And since then, you have gone stratospheric with translation of all that ambition and talent into a really successful multimodal asset management business. So really good to see. I'm really proud of you. So congratulations, and keep it going. And I think we have an opportunity to carry on working together in the future through our integrated transport developments. So thank you.
So Rail Business Daily is one of the UK's largest rail media businesses and is also the media partner to Railtex. We've seen lots of businesses here that are members of the RBD community, which has been fantastic. We've had lots of great conversations. For example, with Reflow, it's been fantastic. They're part of the Eagle Lab, which is opposite our stand here at Rail Business Daily. So we've been able to kind of get to know the guys there, their fantastic products, their sort of, the ethos of their business, what they're looking to achieve in the rail sector. And, because we are so well connected within the industry, it's being able to sort of help them meet new connections that they might not otherwise meet, and doing great interviews here with the Reflow team.
Hi, I'm Mike Andrews. I'm director at DWG Infraco Limited. We're a specialist ground engineering company, having a look around and catching up with some people and catching up with our friends at Reflow. We got introduced into Reflow about 18 months ago by another company that we were doing some subcontract work with. Subsequently got in touch with Ashley, and Ashley onboarded us. We were all paper and manual, and it was a complete culture change to everybody. But now we've got Ansel, who's our super user, and we sort of live and breathe by it. It does all our RAMs for all our projects. We do all our reporting, all our site documentation, toolbox talks, daily recording of site activities. It's made a phenomenal difference to what we do when it comes to ISO audits for record keeping, because everything's at our fingertips. We don't have to go scratching around in files for bits of paper. So it's making our life a lot easier, and still got a lot of work to do. We want to onboard all our warehouse stuff and our inventory of tools and equipment. It's been a great change, and thank God we met you guys.